everyone. Myself Pranav Dani. I am from Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. I have completed MSc Computer Science from PVG College of Science, Pune. Today's topic is what is Java and some features of Java. This is original video. So Java is object-oriented programming language. It is developed by James Gosling in 1991 at Bell Laboratories. So, what is the meaning of object-oriented programming language? Object-oriented programming language means everything is inside object, or we write all the Java program inside one class. Now we will see the some features of Java. First one is simple and easy. Java code is very simple to understand because its syntax is similar like C and C++, and the compilation and execution is very simple in Java. Next one is robust. The simple meaning of robust means strong. Java is robust because of the feature of platform independence and multi-threading and exceptional handling. Third one is object-oriented programming. It means it is also called as OOPS. Some concepts of OOPS are class X, object, polymorphism, inheritance, etc. The next one is platform independent. When we compile the Java code which is converted into the bytecode, the bytecode we are used at any platform, that is Mac OS, Windows OS or Linux OS, which is platform independent. We can use it in any device. The next one is secure. Java is one of the most secure language among the many languages. We can develop the virus-free application from Java because we cannot directly run the Java code on the directly. We use the JVM. JVM ensure all the security. And second one is we not use the pointer. Pointer is a variable which refers to the another variable. Because of that, Java doesn't support the pointer. The next one is garbage collection. In other languages like C++, object creation, destruction we have to do it all manually. In C++, we have constructor to create object, and to destroy the object we have to put destructor. In C also we have to put calloc malloc function, but in Java we have to create only object. All the object creation destruction is managed by JVM. Means Java has automatic garbage collection. The next one is architectural neutral. The Java is architectural neutral because in primitive data type of Java, the primitive data type are fixed. For example, in C, if we take the size of integer which is 2 bytes in the 16 processor over here, and 32 bits it takes 4 bytes of memory, but in Java it continues to take the 4 bytes of memory only. The next one is portable. When we compile the Java code which is converted into the bytecode which is portable, we can use it any platform. The next feature is multi-threading. The meaning of multi-threading is we can perform the multiple tasks by using one program. And the main advantages of multi-threading is memory efficiency. If we create the multiple thread, it cannot take the physical memory on the device. The next one is the application area of Java. We can develop many application using Java, that like standalone application, web-based application, cloud-based application, gaming application. Now the next feature is faster access. Java is faster as compared to the other languages like C, C++, because Java is both compiled and interpreted language. In Java, first it is all possible because of JIT compiler. In Java, first all statements are interpreted, but JIT compiler work it faster, because if the 100 of same statement repeated 100 times by interpreter. The JIT compiler combine all the statement and execute it only at once. It because of that Java very fast as compared to the other languages. Next one is dynamic loading of class. The Java support the dynamic loading of class, that is the class loading on the demand of the user. That is all about the features of Java. Thank you.